What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to see your archived ChatGPT chats on mobile. So once you head over to your ChatGPT app, you just want to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner just by those two dashes, and then at the bottom left you see your name, your profile icon, and then a drop down arrow. You want to tap on the drop down arrow and then it's going to take you to settings. Now, if you're on Android, they make things a little bit more difficult. Now, if you're on Android, you just simply need to go through a few more steps. If you're on iOS, once you get to settings, you're going to see archived chats. But on Android, once you get to settings, you want to locate data controls. Tap on data controls, and then at the bottom right here, you'll see view archived chats. Again, if you're using iOS, you just see archived chats under settings, but on Android, once you're under settings, you want to go to data controls, and then right here, you'll see view archived chats. Of course, once we tap on it, we just have one archived chat. In your case, you might see more, and this is how you can do it.